Whoa! I got splashed!
Ooh, cool shades!
Hey!
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Here we go! Let's fly! Preparing for takeoff. Seatbelts on, check. Sitting upright, check. Cabin doors closed, check. We are ready for takeoff! Wow! Perfect! I am in the jungle. Now, all I have to do is find some fruits that come from this climate. What do we have up to now, Miss Hands?
Oh, we have this super stretchy strawberry. Look at that! And she's got a little smiley face there too. We also have this round green apple. And she really stretches well. Look at that. Bing! And we have this super cute avocado. Look, she stretches too. How cool is that?
Whoa! What was that noise? Quick! Let's check my map! First stop is...
Monkeys!
That made me jump!
I'm Milo. I live in the jungle and ooh, cool shades.
Hey!
Well, if you can wear shades, I can too. Monkeys are primates.
Huh? Honey, what?
Primates, like humans. It means we are very similar. We even have opposable thumbs. Here, see? These are my opposable thumbs. It means I can pick things up and hold them. And we are highly intelligent. We also eat bananas, but we love other fruit and insects too. Is that a strawberry I see?
Oh, no, Milo. I am traveling around the world collecting fruit.
Whoa, that's cool. Hey, would you like a banana? You can have a banana, but only if you say please.
Please?
Good job, Phoebe. We have a banana. Thank you, Milo.
Let's use the map and see where we go next. Whoa, an elephant! That is so awesome!
Hi, I'm Ellie.
Hi, Ellie!
Ooh, this water is so tasty.
Whoa, I got splashed!
Oops, sorry. Did you know us elephants spend 12 to 18 hours eating grass, plants, and fruit every single day?
Whoa, don't you get full up?
Well, we can be up to 3 meters high and weighing at up to 6 tons, so we get very hungry.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mine is this one. You can try it if you like.
Oh, look, Phoebe, watermelon. We need watermelon in our collection.
Awesome sauce! Thanks, Ellie!
No problem.
Where to next? Where are we now?
Whoops, sorry. I'm Tiana the tiger.
Oh, hi, I'm Phoebe.
I'm surprised you didn't see me. Tigers are the largest species of big cat on the planet.
Whoa!
And we're carnivores. That means we eat a lot of meat.
Well, I'm searching for fruit.
Actually, I'm vegan. I love getting my 5 portions of fruit and vegetables a day. Oranges are my favorite. They match my stripes. Here, I have a spare one.
Oh, look, Phoebe, we have all the fruit we need.
Yay! That means our flight mission has been accomplished.
Enjoy your fruit.
Oh, thank you, Tiana. And thank you for teaching me all about your environment.
You're welcome. Don't forget your shades.
Fly safely.
Nice to meet you.
Bye, everyone. Time to fly home. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.